Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest technology related updates. Today's my video is going to be very interesting. I am going to tell you about future of technology. Human imagination work harder than human enterprise, but at any given moment, scientists and engineers are redesigning future technology and the world around us in a big and small ways. We don't realize it because we have lived through it, but the rate of progress over the last half century has been abnormal, staggering in the fields as broad as computing, medicine, communication, and material science. Still, nobody has a personal jetpack that runs on perpetual energy, so the work must continue. We have put our futurologist for seeing goggles on and put together a list of some of the most exciting future technology that will change our world. From bionic human beings to technology that could fix the climate crisis, these are the some biggest of the big ideas in which includes Bitcoin, IoT, artificial intelligence. These are the emerging technologies which people should learn in 2021 and onwards because because the world is going to be changed soon, and if you want to live in this modern world, then you have to learn these skills. And if you want to earn passive income and you want to work in big companies and you want to work with big partnerships with big companies, then you have to learn these skills. I will tell you about all these skills one by one, so let's start. A cryptocurrency or crypto is a digital currency that can be used to buy goods and services, but uses an online ledger with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. Much of the interest in these unregulated currencies is to trade for profit, with speculators at times driving prices skyward. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has had volatile price moves this year, reaching nearly $65,000 in April before losing nearly half its value in May. By mid-October, the price had risen rapidly again. It hit an all-time high before $66,000 before falling back. It's a software. Don't be fooled by stock images of shiny coins. Bitcoin is purely digital phenomenon, a set of protocols and processes. It is also the most successful of hundreds of attempts to create virtual money through the use of cryptography, the science of making and breaking codes. Bitcoin has inspired hundreds of imitators, but it remains the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, a distinction it had held throughout its decade-plus history. While Bitcoin technology is pretty safe, there are some risks to consider before you make an investment. Bitcoin is not anonymous. The price of cryptocurrencies can be extremely volatile. Bitcoin relies on passwords, and cryptocurrency wallets are not immune to theft. Next, I am going to tell you about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer system. Specific application of AI include expert system natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. In simple words, you can say efforts to develop computers-based systems that behave like humans, learn languages, accomplish physical tasks, emulate human thinking. The basic goal of AI is to enable computers and machines to perform intellectual tasks such as problem solving, decision making, perception, and understanding human communication. AI system works by ingesting large amount of labeled training data, analyzing the data for correlations and patterns, and using these patterns to make predictions about future states. In this way, a chatbot that is fed example of text chats can learn to produce lifelike exchanges with people, or an image recognition tool and can learn to identify and describe objects and images by reviewing millions of examples. Next, I am going to explain you about very interesting and emerging technology, IoT devices. IoT devices are the understand computing devices that connect wirelessly to a network and have the ability to transmit data, such as the many devices on the Internet of Things. IoT involves extending internet connectivity beyond standard devices such as desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets to any range of traditionally dumb or non-internet enabled physical devices and everyday objects embedded with technology. These devices can communicate and interact over the internet. They can they can also be remotely monitored and controlled. Example of IoT devices is connected devices are a part of an ecosystem in which every device talks to other related device in an environment to the automate home and industry tasks. They can communicate usable sensor data to the users, businesses, and other intended parties. The devices can be categorized into three main groups: consumer, enterprise, and industrial. Consumer connected devices include smart TVs, smart speakers, toys, wearables, and smart appliances. In 3D computer graphics, 3D modeling is the process of developing a mathematical coordinate based representation of any surface of an object, inanimate or living in three dimensions via specialized software by manipulating edges, verticals, and polygons in a simulated 3D space. Three-dimensional models represent a physical body using a collection of points in 3D space, connected by various geometric entities such as triangles, lines, curved surfaces, etc. Being a collection of data, entities such as triangles, lines, curved surfaces, etc. Being a collection of data, points, and other information, 3D models can be created manually, algorithmically, procedurally modeling, or by scanning. Their surfaces may be further defined with texture mapping. 3D modeling builds 3D characters and environments that are based on the concept art to create the models, surfaces, or skins. They paint and wrap 2D textures on digital frame. Modelers are also create character skeletons which animators then control. Most of 3D modeling jobs combine creative ideas and latest technologies and play an important part in the development of various environment and in emerging engineering vendors.